Hello family, my name is Akaya. Thank you so much for checking out my video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I'm going to be doing two strand twist, wide twist on my client. I like to use mousse, which I was just showing you a few minutes ago, and I also like to be able to use gel. Those are going to be the two items that I'll be using. In this video, I'll be showing you how I'm going to be doing it on a low density client. What basically low density means is my client hair is kind of more on the strands are not as dense, it's not as thick. I wanted to show this to you guys so you can be able to know that just because your strands are not thick, you can still get nice, good hairstyles. The best thing to be able to do is just what we did was when my client first came to me, he actually had his hair was very on the unhealthy side. He wasn't really sure how to be able to take care of it and stuff. So what we've been doing is we've been doing different styles on his hair. And like I said, in this video, we'll be doing the wide twist. Doing this style every month, we make sure that we shampoo, deep condition, and really taking care of it. When I say his hair has grown so much, and I'm so proud of him to be able to take care of his hair, me and him both. Every time we look at his hair, we be like, oh my God, can't you tell how much it has grown? So guys, just want to again, just show it to you how to do the tutorial. It's a quick and easy style, and it also lasts for at least about a good 5 weeks. He got it done 5 weeks ago, and he was saying how he actually could have went a little bit longer. So if you're looking for a natural hairstyle for a gentleman to be able to do that can last, try these wide twists. Sit back, guys, go ahead and get your drink. Go ahead and get you some popcorn and check out how I do this style. And please, guys, go ahead, if you haven't already, go ahead, take the time out, press that subscribe button, and also go ahead and press that bell. So every time I put out videos, you'll be notified and you can be able to check out my video. Don't forget to comment for more and share. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, I am officially done with this hair. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you think and if you are going to try this style. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. If you want me to do your hair, contact me now. I would love to do it. Thank you so much for taking your time out and checking out my video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Be blessed, guys. Talk with you later. Bye.